Super trending nga mga kalinyans ang naging endorsement nitong si Maine Mendoza na Smart. At alam niyo po ba na itong si Maine Mendoza ay naging Smart Babies din before? Sa kanyang naging pahayag, sinabi ni Maine na Smart's value brand TNT was one of my first endorsement when I started in 2015. It was such a big deal for me to get the trust of the biggest telecom brand in the country at the time. Now, I'm so happy to be back to promote a smarter way to pay and proudly say, simple, smart ako. Well, ito pala yung naging first niya na commercial, which is talk and text. Alam naman natin yan. Pero iba kasi ang pagka-smart na. So, nakita naman natin kung sino-sino talaga ng mga sikat ang naging endorser ng Smart. At alam nyo ba kung bakit si Maine Mendoza ang napili ng Smart na gawin nilang pinaka-ambassador ngayon ng kanilang pong app na kung saan ay pwede ka nang mag-download noon para makapagbayad ka doon. So, sinabi ng I think the director or sino man na staff na si Maine yung napili nila kasi bago pa man nakita nila na sikat na si Maine sa Dubmash kaya nga siya naging Dubmash Queen. Well, narito yung naging pahayag. Anyway, bakit nga ba si Maine Mendoza ang napili na maging mukha ng GigaPay PayMaya ng Smart? Narito ang mga naging rason, mga naging kategory at pinag-isipan ng Smart ng mabuti kung sino nga ba ang kukunin nila bilang endorser ng kanilang bagong pay apps na kung saan ay tinatawag nila itong GigaPay at ito ay pwede ngang ibayad sa PayMaya. Well, narito ang sinabi ng Smart kung bakit si Maine ang kanilang napili. First, Maine is the perfect choice because number one, she was actually on TikTok before. Before TikTok, she was there. She was actually the queen of Dubsmash and she parlayed the talent into becoming an actress, a TV personality, but despite on TV, she was still engaging her fans on Twitter. She is perfect for this world where everything is connected, where everything is both digital. Second is that she has a very expressive face. She could convey a lot of emotion which actually tell the story of us working of payment and working it with digital, and we need someone who is credible and we could tell a story. And lastly, we are going a long way back. She was already an endorser of TNT in 2016 and quite recently she is also the host of our show in TV5 which is Pop Pinoy. So when you put all hosting together, it seems that Maine Mendoza was the perfect face literally for our product GigaPay at PayMaya. Simple as that. Yan ang reason kung bakit si Maine Mendoza ang napili ng Smart na maging mukha ng kanilang new endorsed na product na GigaPay. Wow, congratulations Maine. Talaga namang napuli mo ang puso ng Smart. Kaya naman sa dinami-dami ng sikat dito sa Pilipinas, ikaw ang napili. At isa na rin dyan, nakalimutan ng Smart na sabihin. Maine Mendoza has a very huge and very supportive fans. Kasi kung wala kang fans na talagang magsusupport sa'yo, wala rin. Nakita nyo kung gaano kagad nag-trending ang commercial at ang endorsement na ito ni Maine Mendoza. Nagkalat agad ito sa kanilang social media ng mga fans. Kaya naman for the fans, narito ang inyong mga komento at inilagay natin dito sa ating Misly Vlog Update para naman ma-recognize kayo. Well, congratulations to the fans of Maine and Aldab dahil because of us, because of you, si Maine Mendoza ay nandyan and because of Maine, nandyan din siya na patuloy na naka-thank you at nakasuporta rin sa kanyang mga fans. Kaya naman kahit pagod na pagod siya kapag may event or whatever, lagi siyang nandyan. So, kaya patuloy ang blessing din sa kanya. And narito ang mga naging komento, congratulations message for Maine na mga fans. Sabi ni Kabebe04, congrats, smart girl. Ang sabi naman nitong si Edit59C, sana magkaroon din ng billboard si May ng smart. Nako, for sure mangyayari po yan. Sabi naman ni Lysel Hex0929, for sure meron yan. Sabi ni Secodors, congrats May, we love you. At si Vasquez2744, congrats my main. Edit59C, may clap na emoji. Si Miyagana, good morning everyone, stay safe, but because Maine is simple smart, we Mainers are simple smart too. Congrats Maine, stay humble and be yourself. At si De Las Salas, Test 02, love Meng, always si Goldie Beck Jimena, congrats Maine, you are simple, humble, witty, and pretty so much. You are blessed lady. Sa mga nais pong magkomento, ilagay po ito sa ating comment section at malay nyo kayo naman po ang maisama natin dito sa ating vlog, Miss Lee Vlog Update, at na mabanggit din natin ang inyong mga pangalan, ma-shoutout doon po sa ating live. So patuloy lang pong tumutok sa ating channel, Miss Lee Vlog. Thank you for watching.